Hey everybody, my name is Kendra Ayres. Welcome to day 2 featuring our Be Present palette that's part of our Fierce by Allie collection. Today I'm going to show you how to maximize this palette for a fierce smoky eye. I've got foundation on my eyes from my lids to my brow bone, and I am going to take some of just my setting powder and set up here from my crease up. I do this because I find blending a lot easier if that is set. We are going to use the brush that comes with this little palette. We're going to start with the lightest color first, and I'm going to use the larger side of the brush. And then we're going to blend. Now we're going to take the medium color, the medium gray, and we're going to place that right in the center. We're going to take the smaller end of the brush and we're going to use a technique I've never tried before, using the darkest color. In kind of a V pattern, and we're going to place it on the inner corner of the eye as well. We're going to get back to blending. So I'm going to go back to the larger part of my brush and I'm just going to blend these together kind of subtly. Keep this smoky look going. We're going to use the dark color again and the smallest part of the brush, and we're going to go underneath the eyes. Don't be afraid to blend that down with the larger part of the brush. Let's take this dual-ended liner. This has a nude side on one side, a nude liner, and a black liner on the other. Today we're just going to use the black liner and we're going to do a little bit of tight lining. Apply the black liner right directly to the waterline. Let's do the same thing to the top. After your eyes are tight lined, you can line the upper lash line of your upper lashes. Keep the smoke show going. Take that small part of the brush that you used before and just smudge out the edges of the liner. Now that that's done, it's time to add some mascara. I hope you like this smoky eyeshadow look and we can't wait to see you next time.